Three best ways to know if someone muted you on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on three best ways to know if someone muted you on Instagram. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Muting someone on Instagram is like the social media equivalent of politely excusing yourself from a conversation without making a scene. When you mute someone, their posts and stories will no longer show up in your feed, but they'll still be able to see your post and you can visit each other account pages. Also, Instagram does not send any sort of notification when you mute someone. Like other social media sites, there's no definite way to tell if you have been muted on Instagram. You aren't notified when you are muted, and you can't go anywhere to see a list of who has muted you. But there are some subtle signs you can look for. If a person who used to often like or comment on your post seems to have suddenly gone silent, you may have been muted. Try seeing if they're still actively liking and commenting on other people's posts. If so, that's a clearer sign. Similarly, if someone who used to view your Instagram stories no longer shows up on your stories viewer list, this could mean that the user has muted your stories or post simultaneously. So these are some methods that you can tell if someone has muted you on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.